Chairs are some of the most universal, practical, and emotionally appealing pieces of furniture you can create. Every home, every office, every workshop, every cafe, and every gathering space needs seating, and this constant demand turns chair making into one of the most reliable and profitable branches of woodcraft. People do not simply buy chairs for function, they buy them for style, comfort, personality, and the warm beauty that handcrafted wood brings into a room. A well-designed wooden chair holds a special kind of power. It becomes a centerpiece, a conversation starter, and sometimes even a treasured heirloom. And because customers place so much value on chairs, they are often willing to pay premium prices when they see thoughtful craftsmanship, unique designs, and the natural beauty of wood brought to life. This narration focuses on high-demand chair ideas that not only look stunning but also generate consistent income. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern lines, minimalistic silhouettes, or traditional forms, chairs offer endless possibilities for creativity and profit. Buyers love chairs that feel handmade yet comfortable, stylish yet durable, and personal yet practical. And with the right approach, every chair becomes an opportunity to turn raw materials into dependable earnings. Today we explore how chair designs can become your steady income source, how to highlight natural wood features in profitable ways, and how your craftsmanship can transform simple seating into high-value products that customers truly appreciate. Chair design is one of the most expressive crafts in woodworking. It offers structure, beauty, balance, and personality, all wrapped into a functional piece that every person interacts with daily. Because chairs must support the body, customers automatically perceive them as more valuable and more meaningful than many other decor pieces. A chair is not just something they display, it's something they use, trust, and rely on. This emotional and functional importance makes chairs extremely profitable when crafted with care. One of the reasons chairs sell so well is their versatility. Some buyers want simple designs that fit small apartments, while others look for statement pieces that elevate large living rooms. Some prefer rustic charm with raw edges and exposed grain, while others lean toward sleek, modern silhouettes that match contemporary interiors. The diversity of customer tastes allows you to create multiple chair styles that appeal to different groups of buyers, all within the same craft business. The variety ensures that your income remains steady and your offerings remain relevant across seasons and trends. Wooden chairs also hold timeless appeal. Unlike plastic or metal seating, wood carries a natural warmth that feels alive, handcrafted, and rooted in tradition. A well-shaped backrest or curved seat invites comfort, while visible grain patterns bring nature indoors. Even the simplest wooden chair exudes character. Buyers appreciate this authenticity, especially in a world where mass-produced furniture often feels cold and impersonal. When a customer touches a handcrafted chair and feels the smoothness of hand-sanded wood, the connection becomes immediate and emotional connections lead to confident sales. Another advantage of chair making is the ability to work with different types of wood, each giving the chair its own identity. Hardwoods such as oak and walnut create a luxurious appearance that attracts higher prices. Pine and cedar chairs have a rustic charm that appeals to farmhouse decor lovers. Reclaimed wood creates chairs that feel historic, artistic, and eco-friendly, and buyers are often willing to pay more for sustainable pieces. No matter which material you choose, the natural grain plays a central role in the chair's beauty, making each creation unique. Chairs allow you to experiment with shapes and structure. A simple straight-back chair brings a classic feel, while curved lines introduce elegance and softness. Slightly angled legs create a modern profile, and thick, chunky frames enhance rustic appeal. You can design chairs with woven seats, upholstered cushions, carved details, or even minimalist slabs with clean edges. Every variation gives you a new product to offer, and each new design expands your potential income. Because chairs are functional items, buyers appreciate durability, but durability doesn't necessarily require complex techniques. Even simple joinery, when done securely, can produce strong, long-lasting chairs that customers trust. Another factor that strengthens chair sales is the high repeat buy potential. When someone buys a chair they love, they often return for matching pairs, sets, or complementary designs for other rooms. A single sale can turn into multiple follow-up purchases, especially when buyers want a cohesive home style. Chairs also sell exceptionally well to cafes, restaurants, studios, and boutique shops that want to create a warm atmosphere. Establishing relationships with such clients can turn your workshop into a steady supplier for their seating needs, providing consistent income. Crafting chairs also allows you to maximize the profit margin through strategic design. You can build small accent chairs that require minimal material but sell at attractive prices. You can craft stools, which often require less labor but appeal strongly to buyers who want functional seating for kitchens, offices, or creative spaces. Rocking chairs, lounge chairs, and outdoor garden chairs are high-ticket pieces that bring even higher earnings. Because chairs are perceived as large, meaningful items, buyers often value them more highly than shelves, trays, or small decor pieces, giving you the opportunity to charge fair prices for your craftsmanship. One of the most rewarding aspects of chair making is how it elevates your identity as a craftsman. When customers see a beautifully built chair, they immediately understand the skill, precision, and care behind the creation. A chair is a statement of mastery. It is a piece that represents your style, your attention to detail, and your ability to blend comfort with visual harmony. When you build chairs consistently, your reputation grows, and buyers begin associating your name with quality seating, which increases demand and strengthens your income base. Chairs also give you opportunities to incorporate raw, natural beauty into your craft. Live-edge chairs highlight the untouched side of the wood, adding an organic look that modern homeowners adore. Rustic chairs with textured surfaces bring a sense of authenticity and warmth. Smooth contemporary chairs with refined curves showcase precision. No matter the style, the grain remains the star, turning your chairs into functional artwork. Customers value chairs that highlight nature's patterns because they feel unique, timeless, and emotionally grounding. From a business perspective, chairs remain incredibly reliable. They are needed in every season, every climate, and every household. They make ideal gifts, housewarming purchases, restaurant investments, and studio essentials. People rarely buy just one, they buy in 2s, 4s, 6s, or even more. This means each design you create multiplies your income potential. A single chair design that sells well can become your signature product, consistently generating earnings every month. What makes chair designs especially powerful is how they allow you to blend artistic freedom with practical purpose. Wooden chairs carry a rare combination of beauty, durability, and emotional warmth, making them some of the best-selling and most profitable pieces you can create. When you shape wood with intention and let the natural grain guide your design, each chair becomes more than furniture, it becomes a story people want to bring into their homes. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.